Hello everyone, this is Jyotsna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will see the JavaScript topic operators. We will see the definition of operator and how and where we use this operator and what are the different types of operator we use in JavaScript. So starting with what are the operators. So JavaScript operators are symbols that are used to perform operations on operands. So we will see that with one of the example. Here we have declared this variable sum and initialize some value to it. So sum is equal to 10 plus 20. So 10 and 20, these are the operands here, and plus this sign which is a addition sign, which is the operator here. So there are different types of JavaScript operators we have. One of the type is arithmetic operators, then comparison operators, logical operator, assignment operators, conditional or ternary operators, bitwise operators, and the last one is JavaScript special operators. This is the list of different types of operators JavaScript supports. We will see one by one this example for these operators. So starting with arithmetic operators, the example we have previously seen 10 plus 20 where plus was the addition sign. That operator is nothing but arithmetic operators. So plus sign is used to addition or add two numbers, two or multiple numbers. Here one example is given 10 plus 20. Here, this is the operator. These are two operands is equal to the value which is the output here. The next is minus sign, which is a subtraction sign, which is also arithmetic operator. All the arithmetic operations are done using arithmetic operators. So plus, minus, multiplications, division, modulus or remainder, and then increment, which is a plus sign, which comes with increment description and in description, and the minus minus means decrement. So these are the different arithmetic operators, and these are the some examples for each of the operator. So for multiplication we use star of this operator 10 into 20, and for this we use forward slash, and for this we use mod operator modulus. And here plus plus increment operator, we have here variable a is equal to 10, and if we do a plus plus, we are using this operator with a, so now a will be plus 1, 10 plus 1. Same for the decrement, a minus minus means a minus 1 is equal to 9. So these are the different operators, arithmetic operators we have in JavaScript. The next is comparison operators. So here is equal to, this is one of the operator, then identical, which where we use three equal to signs, equal and the same type. So means 10 is equal to 20 is equal to false. So it's not equal, right? So it's equal to false. So equal to, it only compare between two values. Is equal to, it checks the um, identical variables or identical values between the operator. And then next is not equal to, means if some values are comparison is not equal to, if we check if it is correct, then it will return as true, and if it is not correct, then it return as false. Then not identical means if two values are not identical, based on that the output will be come. um, the next is greater than, means two values, if one is greater than other, if you want to check, we use this comparison operator. And the next one is greater than or equal to, if you want to check between the two operands, if one of the value is greater than or equal to another, then we use greater than or equal to. Same for less than and less than equal to. So these are the comparison operator. Next is logical or relational operators. So there are three logical operators: and, or, and not. If we are checking, there are two different operands with or two different solutions are there, and we are checking if first one and second one is true, then the answer is true. Otherwise, first one is true, second one is false, then the output is false. So for that we use this logical AND operators to check two outputs, and gives the output based on those two operations. The next is for logical OR. If two both operations are true, then it is true, and if one of the operation is true, then also it will give the output as true. And if both are false, then only it will give the false output. Then next is logical NOT. So it will just um, give you the opposite of true. Means if the value is true, then that opposite is false, and the value is false, then opposite of that is true. So if you want some operations like this, we use this logical operations like AND, OR, and logical NOT. Next is assignment operators. So in assignment operator, we have this assign operator, which is equal to, and add and assign means plus is equal to. So it will first add and then assign that value to the variable. Then minus is equal to, which is subtract and assign. The next star is equal to means multiply first and assign the value to the variable. So here one example is given for this plus equal to, which is add and assign. First we will declare and initialize the variable a is equal to 10, then a plus is equal to 20, means here we are adding a value to the a value and then assigning the same value to the a. So means a value, which is a 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Now a value is 30. So here what we are doing, a value is 10 and plus this 20 value. So it is 30, and we are storing that value, assigning that value to 8 only. So it is 30. Same for subtract and assign. A is 20 and a minus is equal to, means a minus 20 minus 10, which is 10, is that value will get stored into a. So then a is equal to 10, which is the output. Same for multiplication and divide and assign operator, and for modulus and assign, which is also same. So these are some of the assignment operator. Next is conditional or ternary operator. So a ternary operator evaluates the condition and executes a block of code based on the condition. So this operation, conditional operator, is used to replace if-else statements in certain situations. This is the syntax for conditional operator. First is condition. If it is true, expression 1, and if it is false, expression 2. So if the condition is true, then expression 1 will get executed, and the condition is false, the expression 2 will get executed. So this is about the conditional operator we use. Next is bitwise operators. So these are the different bitwise operators we use while programming: bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR, bitwise NOT, bitwise left shift, bitwise right shift, bitwise right shift with 0. So these are some of the example for these bitwise operations. Next is, which is the last one, JavaScript special operators. So these are some of the special operators we use. The first one is conditional operator returns value based on the condition. It is like if else, this conditional operator, which we have seen previously. Then comma operator allows multiple expressions to be evaluated as a single statements. Next is delete operator. Delete operator deletes the property from the object. Next is in operator, where in operator checks if object has the given property. Next is instance of. It checks if the object is an instance of a given type. Next is new property, where it is used to create an instance which is an object. Next is type of operator. So it checks the type of objects. Void, it discard the expressions return value. And the last one is eld operator, which is used to check what is written in a generator by the generator's iterator. So these are some of the special operators we use JavaScript.